A lot of people are still asking, what exactly is Hana? Is it separate from Spline? Is it just 2D?
So today we are going to explore exactly what Hana is and why it exists.
Hana is a real-time canvas for designing interactive 2D and 3D experiences. Not just layouts, not just static graphics,
but 2D and 3D that are meant to respond and animate live on the web.
Hana is where interaction and visual design are built together from the start. You don't design first and animate later. You can design with interaction in mind from the very beginning. Everything you build can respond in real time. You can create states, define interactions, and animate transitions directly on the canvas. You can hover, click, keyboard events. It's all part of the design process, not a separate mode. Animation isn't an afterthought. You don't switch tools.
Motion and structure are designed together.
Hana is built with performance in mind. What you design isn't just a mock-up,
it's meant to be embedded directly into websites and digital products.
That means interactive visuals that are production-ready. Hana also supports real-time collaboration. You can share a link, work together live, and build interactive experiences as a team. You'll be designing with powerful tools that allow you to create stunning visual effects and materials. Liquid glass, gradients, blur, custom textures, and the list goes on and on. The real-time canvas makes it easy to craft high-quality interactive visuals that elevate your designs. And after all that designing, you can export your frames in multiple formats that fit any workflow. Export as URL, embed code, video, and more. This allows you to integrate Hana designs across all platforms: web, mobile, social media, marketing, and beyond. Turning 2D objects into 3D shapes is incredibly intuitive. You can easily add depth and dimension to your designs.
Hana is for designers who care about interaction, designers who want their work to feel alive,
brand designers who want motion to be part of the identity, product teams building modern web experiences, anyone who wants their work to go beyond static screens.
It's about expanding what 2D and 3D can become. It's design built for interaction.
If you've ever felt like your designs, they look good but they don't move, Hana is here to change that.
You can start with structure, add interactions, design experiences that respond. That's Hana.